Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing something no marketer openly admits. How I accidentally discovered the fastest way to gain backlinks using Google Ads, and how I also destroyed my authority score by making one wrong decision. Stick till the end because I'm also giving away my content marketing kit for free. It may turn into a paid product later, so grab it while it's available. Now let's dive in. How I suddenly gained backlinks. So here's exactly what happened. I wasn't doing any guest post or outreach or any backlink strategy for that matter. I just ran Google Ads to promote my ebooks. Suddenly backlinks started exploding, all organic and automatic, without me lifting a finger. Why? Because paid traffic triggers downstream crawler activity and those networks generate backlinks faster than any manual strategy. This is the part most creators don't know. Why Google Ads generates backlinks fast. Here's the part that surprised me the most. Most people think backlinks come only from outreach, guest posting, manual building, or waiting months for organic mentions. But in reality, there is a hidden ecosystem behind paid traffic, and Google Ads accidentally plugs you directly into it. Let me break it down. Every ad click triggers multiple crawlers. When you run Google Ads, your page isn't just visited by humans. It gets visited by Google's quality bots, ad review crawlers, ad safety crawlers, landing page experience crawlers, bot networks that monitor PPC campaigns, link scrapers checking competitors. Each of these bots hits your page, and many of them automatically generate backlinks as part of their tracking, indexing, or cataloging process. PPC scraper sites steal your URL. There are thousands of websites that scrape ads, landing pages, blog posts, metadata, titles, URL structures. Why? So they can build their own directories, train their AI content, create databases, build top ad lists, track advertiser history. When they scrape your ad, they generally create profile pages, listing pages, auto-generated content pages, RSS clones, tag-based archives. All of these link back to your domain. This adds 10, 20, sometimes 50 backlinks within weeks. Monitoring tools create shadow backlinks. There are services that track competitors, advertisers, keywords, landing pages, e-commerce URLs. When your URL appears in Google Ads, they log it. These logs become public inside pages that look like advertiser history for your domain. This builds contextual backlinks, anchorless backlinks, no follow monitoring backlinks, IP based link clusters. They are not high authority backlinks, but they count and they stack quickly. AI content aggregators pick up your link. In the last 2 years, a massive number of AI tools scrape the open web every day. They collect meta titles, OG tags, canonical links, structured data, ad landing pages, blog summaries. Then they publish it in AI blogs, tool directories, auto-generated content feeds, backlink explorers, keyword-based news feeds. This creates backlinks without you doing anything. The result, so when all these systems, that is bots, scrapers, aggregators, directories, PPC monitors, interact with your ad, you end up gaining 30, 50, 80 or even 100 backlinks within a few months. And that is exactly what happened to me. But there's a dark side to this. The mistake that destroyed my domain authority. My backlinks grew, but my authority score collapsed from 11 to 2, and my site was flagged as suspicious. Why? Because I made a huge mistake. I ran ads to landing pages instead of blog posts. Landing pages has thin content, no search intent, no depth, no SEO value, no informational credibility. So Google basically saw high traffic plus no search traffic, thin content, which is equal to suspicious behavior. This mismatch signals spam-like activity. That's what burnt me. By the way, if you want to avoid these mistakes and build a proper content marketing funnel that grows backlinks, traffic and authority the right way, I've put together my content marketing kit. is free for now, but I may put it behind a paywall later. Link is in the description. Now let's continue. What you should do instead. If you want backlinks fast without killing your domain authority, here's the correct approach. Fix existing blog posts. You don't need new posts, just optimize what's already there. Run Google Ads to blog posts, not landing pages. This fixes the mismatch I created. Google sees informational content, context, relevance, time spent on site, search plus ads working together. This is the safest and fastest backlink growth loop. Add your CTA inside the blog. This is how you convert authority that converts to traffic to subscribers to buyers. Use landing pages only for retargeting. Don't send cold ad traffic to thin pages. My recovery plan. Here's what I'm doing now. Updating every blog post, improving internal linking, fixing meta description, cleaning spam backlinks, rerunning Google Ads but only to blogs, spreading authority across the site, increasing average page time, adding FAQ sections for more semantic depth. This is how I'm rebuilding my authority score safely. You can follow the same roadmap. So yes, Google Ads can give you backlinks extremely fast, but if you don't do it the right way, your authority can collapse just like mine did. If you want the exact content structure to avoid my mistakes and build a powerful MOFU strategy, download my content marketing kit. Free for now, might become paid later. It's the same framework I'm using to rebuild my authority, audience and sales. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want weekly marketing insights that are based on real experiments, not theory. See you in the next one.